Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a special review on the new Morphe brushes Live in Color collection. I have with me today the 25L Live in Color artistry palette, as well as the brush set. Oh my god. As well as the brush set. I've already used this. I've already did the look here. It's a rainbow because it's Pride Month. Yeah! So what's great about this collection, and I'm gonna read off of here, 100% of the net proceeds with this collection will be donated to the Trevor Project during their Pride celebration to help fund 24/7 suicide prevention and crisis intervention services for the LGBTQ plus youth. I think that's a great thing to do, especially for a colorful, beautiful collection like this one right here. Now, I will say that this review will be very balanced. I'm gonna give you my Chab 100%. I'm gonna be talking solely on the packaging, on the product, how it wears, how it looks, how it blends, how you can use these brushes to slay a look. Even though this is going to a good cause, honestly, you don't gotta buy the palette. You don't gotta buy the brushes. You could donate to a good cause all on your own. I am going to be reviewing this collection today and just letting y'all know, is it right for you? Is it right for me? Is it worth your money, hunty? All right, so if you want to know my thoughts, then let's get started. All right, guys, so as always with any product review, I have my phone right here. I'm going to be reading about the product just to get a better idea of what I'm going to be using today, even though I have already used the product, but I'm just trying to inform y'all. So if you don't want to hear me ramble and rant and read the big 3 R's, then you could skip to here. Yo, welcome. So I got my phone here. It's on silent. It's on autopilot. Pride! We're gonna be talking about the Morphe brushes 25L Live in Color artistry palette. Here is for $20. Like I said in the very beginning, 100% of the net proceeds for this collection will be donated to the Trevor Project during their Pride celebration to help fund 24/7 suicide prevention and crisis intervention services for the LGBTQ plus youth. I think that's pretty great. So the description is 25 colors in this palette. It says there's only one you, Morphe babe. Oh lord. Am I Morphe babe? Comment down below. Stand out, be fearless, be proud, and rep the rainbow with these crazy creamy bold AF shades, because you were born to live a vibrant, vivid, explosively colorful life. Let your true hues shine. That's pretty cute. Anyway, so they have a list of all the colors here and what they mean. I definitely recommend you guys check it out and, you know, just read about that stuff. I think it's pretty cute. Like the reason why they chose the colors right here. Here we go, Satellite Radio. In this palette, they have a hashtag love wins. Y'all know I've been saying that for so long. I support y'all and stuff. We're gonna get on with the freaking look, but let's also talk about the brush set. I actually took it out. So I also have the Live in Color brush set right here. It comes in this cylinder with all of the brushes. They're usually like tucked in this little thing right there, so that's pretty cute. I probably wouldn't use this, to be honest, but it's nice decor. You could keep it somewhere and just be like, hey, yeah, I've already used them. They're just typical Morphe brushes. Nothing, you know, to scream about except for like the little colors on it. Oh, so cute. This brush set is for $28. Pretty inexpensive, especially for Morphe and stuff. They're inexpensive in general. So, all right, guys. So we're gonna just get on with the look. Again, I'm doing a rainbow look where I'm gonna have a gradient of the rainbow starting off with yellow in the inner corner and then ending it off with green. It's not a tutorial, okay? It's just a rainbow. And I'm gonna put a little white line. I'll leave my inspiration for this look down below in the description so y'all can check out the artist that I've been looking at. And yeah, let's just get on with the look. So let's go. Alright guys, so what I'm noticing about the palette is that it's super easy to blend, which I like. Definitely different in comparison to the James Charles palette where everything is pressed pigments, okay? It's really hard to blend with those, but these formulas right here are definitely similar to the regular Morphe eyeshadows, which is pretty great. One gripe that I do have so far is that there isn't a true matte blue in here, so I've been mixing the color Truth, which is a really deep dark purple, and then just mixing it with Parade together, which is a teal, to kind of create a blue, like a deep blue for the most part. But I mean, it's coming together. I don't have to dip into another palette in order to create a rainbow. I feel like I shouldn't have to dip into a different palette if I have a rainbow palette right in front of me. But other than that, so far so good. Like the blend, guys, hello. Also, this brush right here has been my ride or die. I can't find my color switch anywhere, so I've been using just a piece of foam and then just literally like just doing this and stuff. This brush is like ride or die status right now, along with the other blending brush that's in here, which is really cute. I just use that to blend out the outer edges. But anyway, let's just keep going. We're gonna finish off the eye and then get a lash and the face on. So I'm gonna keep going. Yeah. All right guys, so this is the final look right here. Let's talk about my thoughts on the Live in Color collection here. The brushes here are super standard Morphe brushes, but they're really cute. So if you want to donate to a good cause, I would recommend. Oh God. I think that they are pretty good, especially if you don't have brushes already. You could donate to a good cause. They're Morphe quality, so they're not like the very best. All of them have natural hair bristles, so they're a little scratchy, but for the most part, they're really nice. With the exception of one brush, I pretty much use everything. I just didn't use this one here, the M222. I just had no use for it. I could have used it for like some kind of highlight, but I just didn't. But the rest of the brushes, I definitely used them and they work pretty well. If you don't have brushes already like I do, then I would definitely recommend checking these out. You donate to a good cause and you also get some brushes, and they're really cute in the rainbow and stuff. Let's talk about the palette now. The palette has rainbow shades, so if you don't already own a rainbow palette, then I definitely recommend that you guys check this out. Not only does it have like all the colors of the rainbow, but it also has like a mixture of mattes and wearable shimmers and duochrome. So like these two up here are like a duochrome color. There's 1978 and Liberation. Liberation is a beautiful color. It doesn't come off right because I think it hit hard pan because I was using it wet, but it's really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's white in the pan, but it's got a shift of green. It's just a really nice foil shadow. And then also 1978 is like a purple lavender with a blue shift to it. And then you got like your normal colors here. You got this beautiful one called Stonewall. It's a foiled shadow, but like again, it hit hard pan because I used some wet brushes over top of it. The palette has a mixture of mattes that are really blendable and nice. I think that this is a really good palette, especially if you had a hard time with the James Charles palette, and even if you didn't purchase it, I'd probably go with this over the James Charles one. It has a lot of wearable shades that you can use, and the pans are a lot bigger and things like that, but it's a lot harder to use. The eyeshadows are just way too pigmented, versus this you can just build it up until you get that right amount of pigment, and even then it has enough pigmentation where it can pop, but at the same time it's easy to blend. It all meshes together and things like that. It has some shimmers here. They're super creamy, super beautiful and stuff. Definitely like reminiscent to the regular Morphe eyeshadow formula, so I definitely love that. You can pull off a wearable look here and there if you really like warm shades. You got this cool black right here, which I dipped a little bit of green in it, but it's black, and then you have a white here. So definitely all of the staples as far as trying to get a rainbow look. Now I had a tiny bit of a hard time, not a whole lot of like a hard time or whatever, but I had just a little bit of a difficulty trying to get a deep blue, because if you look here, the two deep blues that are in this palette are Harmony and Rise Up, and both of them are shimmer eyeshadows and stuff, and I really just wanted to play with the matte colors here just to get an idea of how they blend and stuff. And the only one that's kind of close to a deep blue is Truth, but it's actually a purple. I don't care what you guys say, it's a purple. It's not a blue, it's a purple. chill. This I had to mix with Parade, which is again like a tealy bluish greenish color. I mixed the two together and it equaled this blue right here around this part. Definitely easy to use, and yeah. So what are my final thoughts? How do I feel about the 25L Live in Color collection as well as the Live in Color brush set from Morphe brushes? Drum roll, please. I really like this palette. I think that the brushes are nice, especially if you don't already have brushes like that. They're just really good starter set brushes. And this palette right here, if you already have a colorful palette like many do, especially myself, I think that it's just a really good quality palette here. It's not, you know, like groundbreaking or anything. It's colorful eyeshadows all in one package. If you already have a colorful palette, I still recommend you check it out because it's good quality for the price that you're paying. $20, it's not a whole lot, especially if you get 25 eyeshadows. And if you don't want to buy the palette, that's fine, but just remember that it goes to a good cause. You could also just donate directly to the Trevor Project, and that would be great too, especially for Pride Month. But just like do something nice. Spread the love and things like that, because that's what Pride Month is all about, just spreading the love, you know, because we are all a unity, we are all at one together. Hashtag love wins. You just gotta love each other, okay? If you've tried this palette already, leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about it, and if not, just talk to me about it anyway. Hello. But anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Bye. Project. During their pride celebration, oh man. They're not even.